everybody, welcome to our office. This is where the magic happens here at Giant Game Geek and Thunder Ridge Graphics. This is our large frame printer here. It's an HP Latex 365. This is where we print a lot of the materials that we use to make our games, a lot of our vinyl stickers, as well as canvases. We have transferred paper that we can print off of, so a lot of our magic happens here, and all of that is sent from this computer. This computer is where we run all of our printing, where we address our CNC machine, which I'll show you in the shop here in just a minute. And I, from my house, actually have a VPN that I jump into, and I operate this computer from home. So when I'm not here at the physical location, I am actually still able to control all of the machines that we have in the shop from home. So that's one of the primary jobs that I do here at this station. And this is where we assemble everything. We do store all of our games. We're actually working on revamping the office, so stay tuned because we're going to be going through a full remodel and getting things set up for the new changes and exciting games that we have coming. So this is our assembly station. This is also where we hold our meetings. This is where, you know, some big deal things happen. Okay, so this table right here is also where we eat our lunch, one of my favorite times of the day. And we store a lot of our products over here on this wall. This is kind of like, just like a wall of accomplishment. Like every time we get something new up here, I just get super excited, super motivated. I love seeing, you know, my graphics, my prints, a lot of Larry's hard work, and then of course Kira. We all make it happen, and it's really cool to see everything over here. So this is our cutter or plotter, which is kind of disguised right now by cornhole decals, which we got some super cool cornhole decals that we made sitting right here. So we usually run media right through here, and this is where stickers, vinyls, decals, cutouts are cut and made. It comes right through here, drops into the basket, and that's pretty much it. Like that, this guy right here is a big part of our lives, but also a big pain in our butts, along with every piece of machinery that we have here. I don't know if you ever had like an at-home printer or, you know, a Cricut, where sometimes you just want to rip your eyelashes out, you know? So that's kind of what happens here on a regular basis. And this right here is our laminator, which is a Royal Sovereign. We've really been fine-tuning the process on using the laminator. It's really awesome. Like, it's a really cool tool. It just, like all of the equipment that we have in our shop, not a single industrial piece of machinery comes with anything more than a manual. There isn't someone who comes out and knows how to use it. There isn't any kind of lessons that go with it. So like every single piece of machinery that I've showed you today and that I'll show you in the shop, we all had to figure out on our own, which is part of what makes this business really, you know, I'm passionate about it, because I had to learn this machine. I had to learn the printer. I had to learn the plotter. I had to learn the CNC machine, all through, you know, a couple YouTube videos and a lot of hands-on. So I can tell you we've wasted a lot of product, a lot of material in those learning lessons. And now when the product gets shipped to your door, or when you come in shop to pick it up, we know that we have gone through blood, sweat, and tears. And when I say tears, I mean a lot of tears, to make your product happen. So we just hold your final product in really high regard, and we make sure that we produce something that is amazing. So come out here. This right here is the shop. This is where all of the manufacturing and production takes place. You can see that we have all of our stations set up, and this is where Larry really gets his hands dirty. Hey Larry, say hi to everybody on the internet. So right now, this is the CNC machine. This is our newest beast. We are absolutely super excited to have this on the team, because thus far, Larry's been cutting all of the stars for his American flags by hand, which is, you know, not really ideal, right? So the CNC machine is gonna be doing that. We're actually gonna be running our first set of stars. So check out one of our other videos on the channel to see what that turns out like. And this is where the cornhole boards are made, as well as all of the flags, which these flags have lots of different purposes, and we're gonna be dropping a new product. So be sure to follow us on Instagram or Facebook to see any of the new products that we launch. And this is a Thunder Ridge Graphics product, which really excited about. And that's pretty much it. This is where everything that we produce happens. This is the heart and soul of our business. Like I say all the time, we're just a small business. So when you think about supporting any kind of company, you're really supporting our families and us and our dreams. So check out our website at www.giantgamegeek.com, and you can also check out some of our products on thunderridgegraphics.com as well. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, check us out on our other platforms, and thanks for coming by.